2018 Range Rover Velar. Okay? Door handle. Get in the car, turn it on. Once it's on, lock the door. Before you do that, take this panel off, all of these bolts, and let it down. Once you are in the car and you have it turned on and locked, the handle will retract into the door. Once that happens, go inside and unplug the handle so that it won't pop back open. Then you can turn the car off. All the rest of the handles will open, but this will stay closed. Okay? Then there's 4 bolts here, here, and 2 under this, inside. Take it out, and if it's just a blend panel or something like that, just let it sit inside. Don't take everything else out. It's just, that's stupid. Hope it helps.